Welcome back to ORG AutoCar, the home of car lovers and auto enthusiasts, where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and exclusive details about the newest and most exciting vehicles hitting the market. If you're passionate about luxury, performance, and innovation, then stay tuned, because today we're diving deep into one of the most iconic names in modern automotive design, the all-new 2025 Porsche Panamera 4, the fourth-generation masterpiece that has just been officially unveiled. Porsche has once again redefined what a luxury performance sedan can be. The 2025 Panamera 4 takes everything we know and love about the Panamera, the balance between thrilling performance and everyday practicality, and elevates it to an entirely new level. This latest generation is sharper, smarter, and more connected than ever before, combining traditional Porsche DNA with cutting-edge technology and design evolution. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Panamera 4 features a bold and dynamic new look. Porsche's design team has refined the body to make it even more athletic and elegant. The front fascia now sports slimmer matrix LED headlights, a wider grille, and air intakes that enhance cooling efficiency while giving the car a stronger, more confident presence on the road. The rear has been completely redesigned too, with a continuous light strip that integrates seamlessly into the updated tailgate and newly shaped LED taillamps, making the Panamera instantly recognizable even at night. The proportions remain unmistakably Porsche, but the design is now more aerodynamic and aggressive, perfect for the next generation of high-performance driving. Under the hood, the new Panamera 4 carries Porsche's latest evolution of its powertrain technology. It's powered by a re-engineered 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, now paired with advanced hybrid-ready architecture. This setup produces an impressive 350 horsepower and 370 pound-feet of torque, delivered through Porsche's signature 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission. The Panamera 4's all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction and stability, giving drivers confidence whether they're carving through tight corners or cruising on the highway. Acceleration remains one of the highlights. 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in just 4.8 seconds, and top speed reaches around 168 miles per hour. Porsche has fine-tuned the chassis for even better handling, using adaptive air suspension and Porsche Active Suspension Management, allowing the driver to switch between comfort and sportiness at will. The new Panamera 4 offers a perfect blend of luxury, control, and pure performance. Inside the cabin, Porsche has pushed luxury and technology to the next level. The 2025 Panamera 4 features a completely digitalized cockpit, centered around a 12.6-inch curved driver display and a 10.9-inch infotainment screen, with an optional passenger display. The interface supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Porsche's latest voice command system. Ambient lighting, premium leather, aluminum accents, and customizable color trims make the cabin an elegant and modern sanctuary. Porsche has even refined the rear seat experience, providing more legroom and improved comfort, ensuring that every passenger enjoys the same luxury as the driver. On the tech and safety front, the new Panamera 4 introduces advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision, and a 360-degree camera. Porsche also improved the hybrid system management, meaning better efficiency, faster charging, and more intelligent power delivery for upcoming e-hybrid variants. Overall, the 2025 Porsche Panamera 4 represents a new era of performance luxury sedans. It's not just about speed or comfort, it's about the seamless combination of both, wrapped in a design that's instantly Porsche yet perfectly suited for the modern age. From its stunning looks and refined performance to its futuristic interior, this fourth-generation Panamera proves that Porsche continues to lead the way in the world of performance luxury cars. That's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on the new 2025 Porsche Panamera 4? Do you think it sets a new benchmark for luxury sports sedans? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ORG AutoCar, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive automotive updates, reviews, and launch news from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.